Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the second edition of area and perimeter of irregular shapes. All right, so we did the example. We did one. We're going to do 2, 3, and 4. Copy these down right now. Pause the video. All right, cool. So right here, here's number 2. So the first thing you have to do, you find the area and perimeter. I find the perimeter first. You can find the area first. It doesn't matter. But I like to find the perimeter first. So how many missing sides are there? How many sides do not have a distance? Yeah, 2. So it looks like this one. Let's call this one X, and this one, let's call this one Y. Doesn't matter what you call them. You call this A, this is B. It doesn't matter. So let's figure out Y. So if this is Y, I look at the ones that are parallel. Oh, this right here, this 13 and this Y are the same, aren't they? Look at the picture. Oh, no, that's not right. So it's 13 and a little bit more. So it's 13 and a little bit more. So how much more? That's what you have to figure out. It looks like that 7 and the 9 have something to do with it. Okay. So this is a little bit lower. That's when you gotta make sure you draw correctly. Like this. So sometimes you mess up the drawing. Don't matter. So this is 13, and then it's a little bit more than 13. It's like this much more is what Y is. But how much more? Well, if this is 9 and this is 7, that means this part right here, which is what I need right here, is going to be what? Well, yeah, 2. So this is 7 plus 2 is 9. And so Y is going to be 13 plus this little extra part. And so that's going to be 13 plus 2, which is 15 meters right there. So sometimes you have to use all the different parts that are parallel. That's where you have to really pay attention. Next, we got to get X right here. So now look at all the parallel parts. This is 6. This is 12, and this is 26. Okay, so 26 looks like the whole part. So 26, so 12 and 6. So that's 18, because 12 plus 6 is 18 so far. 18 plus this is going to be this whole length. Because 12 plus 6 is 18 plus this. So essentially what I can do is just do 26 minus 18, and I get, boom, 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 8. Because 8 plus 12 is 20. Plus 6 is 26. So all these distances, put them together. I know they're not aligned, but if you put them up next to each other, they equals 26. So now I got 8. All right, cool. So it's 8. So perimeter, 8 plus 13 plus 26 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus, run out of room, go here, 6 plus 7 and an 8. There you go. So calculator it up. 8 plus 13 plus 26 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 is 96 meters. There you go. Area. Now I have to break it into shapes. How many am I going to break it into? So I did 2 on this one. This one, maybe I can do 3. Maybe I just go na 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 na. And so I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3 areas. So if I find the area here, here, and here, then I add them up and I'm good. Okay. So this is 12 and this. So this is the length and width. So 12 times 15 is this one. So 12 times 15 is 180. So this is 12 times 15, which is 180 meters squared. Okay. Let's look at this one over here. This one is 13 times this. 13 times 8, we got before. Good thing I did perimeter before, or we wouldn't have this 8. So 13 times 8, which is 104. 104 meters squared. Am I done? No. What do I have to find? This right here. This right here. Okay. Well, this is 6. Well, what is this distance here? What is this distance here? Well, I can use the parallel parts. So if this is 13 and this is 7, so this would be something plus 7 equals 13. Something plus 7 equals 13. That would be, 6. Cool. I can do it over here too, right? 15 and 9. So 9 plus 6 here is also 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. So either side I would have got it. So this one's 6 times 6, a little square there, which is 36 meters squared. Add them up. 1, 2, 3 areas. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3 areas. 104 plus 36 plus 180. Add up all the areas and you get 320 meters squared. There you go. So this is the area. This is the perimeter. So I got them both. Okay, let's keep cruising along. Number 3. All right. So how many sides am I missing? That's what I look for. Yeah, 2. This and this. Let's call this one X, this one Y. Again, it could be A and B, it could be smiley face and frowny face. It doesn't matter. You just know that there's 2 unknowns. Okay, so let's figure out what Y is for this big side. So if this is 2, this is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So if I just get this part, then I'm good. But what is this part here? Oh, let's use these also parallel. Okay, so 4, and this is 2. So this plus 2 is 4. So this is going to be, 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is 2 here. So 2, these are parallel, so it's the same distance. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus that other 2 right here, this and this is the same distance. That's all going to be 8 centimeters. Got it. Okay, now I need this unknown right here. What is this going to be? I don't know. Well, let's look for the parallel sides. If this is 8 here, I know that this is 6. This is 4. So this is going to be 2. Let's keep marking up, mark up everything. So 4 plus 2, so this part is 2. And so this is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So 6 so far, and so what's this going to be? It's the same distance as this, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 minus 6, which is, 2. Here, 2 here, same thing. Got it. Okay, so now I found all my unknowns, so now I'm going to find my perimeter, which looks like it's going to be a lot. So let's start here. 2 plus 6. Make sure you only do the outside. I know I got some inside stuff. Make sure you got the outside. 2 plus 6 plus this, which is Y, which is, plus 8 plus this, which is also 8, plus here, which is 4, plus 2, plus this little part, which is 2, plus 4 here, plus another 4 right here, plus, another 4, and then back to 2 where I started. All right, calculator. 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 44 centimeters. No, not squared because it's perimeter. It's just distance around. Distance is just centimeters around. Cool. All right, now let's find the area. Cool. So I'm going to break it here. So I got 1, 2, we do 3 here, and then 4, the small one. So it doesn't really matter what you do, or you can find the area of all these little parts I have. It doesn't matter. So this is 6, right? Let's try this one. 6 times 2. So this is 6 times 2. Always trace. Notice I'm tracing. I recommend you do the same thing. 6 times 2, which is 12 centimeters squared. Boom. So now I have this whole thing I can shade it in so I know where I'm at. So area is the inside. All right, now I got this here. So this part, if this is 2, this part is going to be, if the whole thing is 8, so 2. So 8 minus 2, so this part's 6. So I got 6 here, And this part I got before, which is 2. So this is also, 6 times 2. 6 times 2, which is, 12 centimeters squared. Shade that part in. That's where I got it. All right, cool. Now, this part's 2 times 2. I have that written right here, 2 times 2, so that's 4 centimeters squared. That's the area there. So I'm just got this left. So if this is 8, the whole thing, and this is 2, so 8 minus 2, so this is 6. So this is 6. And we know this is 2 already because we got it before. 6 times 2, so another 12. 6 times 2 is another 12. So this is 12, this is 12, this is 12, and this is 4. So 12 plus 12, so 12 times 3, which is 36. Plus 4, which is... pencil broke. Let's try another pencil. Area equals 40 centimeters squared. There you go. Great job, everybody.